Okay, hey everyone, I'm Christina and I'm from Combat Off-Road. Today I have a awesome quick install video for you on the Mission tube doors. This is going to be for the Jeep JL. I will have the Gladiator one coming out shortly. If you are more an instruction reader, want some words, you can scan this QR code right here, have it delivered right to your phone, or you can follow along and we can do this super quick. Let's get into it. Here they are. Okay. Maybe I should have gotten a real table. That's okay. So I'm super pumped about these ones because I haven't gotten there yet to show you. It has a removable backing plate right here, so you can color match if you want. I'm super pumped. I'm gonna do OD green, like my wheels for the JL on that. Anyways, let's get into a little bit of a technical thing other than really cool fancy stuff. But look. Oh. So you can just take that off. Really easy. Super cool, right? Okay. So this, just like the tail lights, is the high load UV powder coat. So these will not go gray, which is always a plus, especially if you live in super hot weather. We all want our shit to stay black, right? If it comes black, stay black. And another cool feature, yeah, I probably should have gotten a table. That's okay. These come with full-size mirrors. I just grabbed one. I don't know if this is going to be for this side. I love it. Another plus on these, this also comes with limiting straps. I know they're around here somewhere. Probably a little bit more organized, but that is okay. There they are. And what else? Oh, shit. Okay. Mirror did not break. I caught it in time. Okay. Shit. I usually get extra hardware because I like drop and lose hardware. This time I almost lost the fancy big mirror. Another thing with the hardware for these tube doors is that it comes with stainless steel hardware. Okay, stacked another box here so I could prop up this door and you could see it a little easier. So we are going to start with our OE style hinges that these doors come with. So you're going to make sure when you get the correct ones that this is how you want your pins to line up. So this will sit, this pin here will sit in the hinge on the Jeep itself. You will want a number 5 Allen head, 1/2 inch wrench for this. And for the hardware, this is how it's gonna look when you line it up. So it's gonna be your bolt in the front and in the back, your washer, and your nut. So this is gonna have actually, my hands are super dirty. If you see that blue, so that's nylock. So these are not going to rattle off as you're driving. So we will get that put on, and I'm going to just hand start these. and you're not going to tighten them up. You want to get them just shy of snug. When we get them on the Jeep, then we will tighten them up to be perfect that way. So next we have just the bottom hinge. Same position as the top one. This one will have your limiting strap here, and now it is going to sit like that, but on the other side. So it's going to utilize one of the holes here that the OE style hinges have. So let's see if I can, I will show you on the other side. So you can start it by hand just to keep everything together. These are going to be the same size as the top one as well. There we go. And then for the bottom hole, for that limiting strap, it's going to be the rounded top style Allen head here, still your flat washer, and another nylock here. That is what the limiting strap is going to look like on the inside. Let's get these on, and then our mirrors on. Oh, the bottom is really loose. So you want to put them in. And you want to lock it up and tighten it just like that. No, I don't need that. Where's my wrench? So you want to, after tightening them, open this up, give it a shut, and it should just catch all on its own, so it stays there. No rattle, as you can see, which is huge plus on tube doors. I hate when you're driving and they rattle. Next thing you want to do is take that limiting strap, and you want to put it where the OE door also hooks up on the inside. So it catches your door. So if you're like me and you whip it open and you're not paying attention, this will not smash against the body of your Jeep. Yeah, this definitely needs to be OD green to match my wheels. Okay, next, mirrors. Let's get into that. Okay, look at that. Full-sized mirror. I love it. You're gonna take this fancy little plastic piece, pop it in there. The hand is full of the hardware. What is going on here? So you're gonna take that, Come on. Oh yeah, match that all in. I needed like an extra hand, I think. Oh yeah, there's some hardware. I can feel it. I just lost some. You can hand tighten. As always, to get those, oh, I think I can actually show at this point. Not quite. Oh, look at that. We can put our hardware right in. And we're going to tighten this up. So you will need a screwdriver and you will need a 10mm socket, which I have. There you have it. Look at that. I put the limiting strap back on. Ah, I'm so excited to get that color matched there, but what do you guys think? I'm gonna do the back door so you can see as well. I did forget one thing. Our security bolt for our hinge. So this is going to be a Torx 50 T50, and this is gonna go right under every single hinge so nobody can just swoop off with your doors. So these are the combat mission doors. This here is for the Jeep JL. I will be doing all the other models as well as I get them. This is gonna be with stainless steel hardware. This is removable. You can powder coat, color match. I'm gonna do an OD green and I will show you once I have that done as well on this. But look, full size mirror, limiting straps as well, no rattle. This is gonna be high load UV powder coat. So this is not going to gray on you. Good guys. What do we think? I love it. I will actually end up taking them off right now because I need to color match ASAP on these. But if you guys have any questions at all, let me know. Any comments, anything that you want to see on the Jeeps, JK, JL, Gladiator, let me know. I have other videos as well coming. And yeah, hope to see you guys on the trails, especially sporting these. I love them.